are having an amazing day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we are going to be opening our My Paper Box Grand for November 2019. I really love this subscription, you guys. I've been getting it for quite a while. They do send this to me to review, and I want to say thank you so very much. I do greatly appreciate it. But this is a stationery subscription, and they have two different plans. They have this plan right here, which is the Grand. This is $28 a month, and this is going to have a variety of items from cards to notepads to pins to they include a calendar every month, and you actually, with your first box on this, will get a personalized calendar or a personalized frame to put the calendar in every month, because they do, you guys, that's the best part. If you notice, it says Nikki's Paper Box because everything is personalized, and I just really love that. And I just love, it's always a surprise in here. Sometimes you're like, whoa, what? They put that in there? But they do also have another plan that is only $10 a month, and that is for 3 personalized notepads. And those notepads could be just blank lined or even unlined notepads personalized with your name and a design, or they could be like a shopping list or a to-do list as far as for cleaning your home. So I think that that is really neat and fun and unique. So let's see what we got for the My Paper Box Grand for November 2019. First, before we actually get into opening, like I said, or not like I said, what I want to say is thank you for being here. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. Also, guys, please don't forget we do have quite a few active giveaways going on, including our 6,000 subscriber giveaway. All of the active giveaways will be linked down below, so definitely head over and enter if you have not already. Otherwise, let's get in here and see what we got for November. So, first of all, it's really pretty. I really like the design. And they always, every month when you first open the box, they have a cute little sticker, and it may pertain to like a theme, but it says, "What's cooking? Good looking?" So that's our cute little sticker this month. And then you can see the cute little polka dot paper. All right. So it says, "Welcome to November, Nikki. This month, our theme is What's Cooking? Stationery for the chef in you." That's awesome, especially because with Thanksgiving, there's going to be cooking this month. So it says include, I'm not going to go into that because I don't want to tell you what's in it. Now, this is one thing I really like that they do as well. Now, this will actually also be on the calendar for our frame, but they literally go over, because you know there's like a day for everything, like literally there's a day for everything. They go over all of the different days and how you can celebrate or partake in those days. Now, let's see. Like November 2nd was Deviled Egg Day. I love deviled eggs. I would have totally made deviled eggs had I known that, but I didn't. Oh, Thursday, November 7th, Men Make Dinner Day. Obviously, Monday, November 11th is Veterans Day, so we need to take time to thank our veterans and active military members. Let's see. Friday, November 22nd is Buy Nothing Day. I probably will not be participating in that. November 14th, Thursday, is Pickle Day. So it just goes over the different days and, like I said, ways to kind of partake. So I think that's always fun. Now this is cute because they actually kind of made this into more than one thing. It says, "What's for dinner, Nikki?" And then it has a little shopping list, and then literally every day for the month of November. So what's for dinner, November. So you could literally write down and make your meal like plan, and then your shopping list here. So they utilize this in 2 ways, which I really like. So there's that. So then this is what we see else in the box, cards and some other goodies. So we're gonna see exactly what we got. All right, so here we have a card. It says you. All of their cards do come with envelopes. And it says, so it says, you are great, nice, awesome, amazing, wonderful, gorgeous, cool, perfect, funny, kind, extraordinary. Lucky to have me, from Nikki. So like I said, everything is always personalized, and that is really cute. I really like that card. All right, and then let's see. Here we have another envelope, and it says, thanks for the cake. I mean, happy birthday. That's cute. All right. And then here is a bigger card, and it says, hello. And their cards feel nice. Like the card stock is really, really nice. Now this is blank inside, so you could use this for anything. Hello. And you guys, my card collection, I literally have a card probably for every occasion because of this box. It's amazing. All right, so then we have, these are so cute. We have some little like paper clip binder type clips. They're super pretty, like rose gold and then like floral. Love those. All right, and here is our, this is so pretty, our calendar to go into our frame. And again, it has my name, and it goes over all those days that I was telling you about, so that is super nice. And then here, this is super pretty. I don't know what we're supposed to use. Is this like, is there, or is it just a bag? It may just be a bag. But either way, it's really cute. It's a really pretty bag, and it has an N on it. So you could use this for all kinds of stuff. And then what is this? This is chalkboard labels with a pen. Where do I stick? Let me look back at that, see what it says here. Okay, so it says the cute flower pouch can hold all types of kitchen needs like chip clips, paper clips, or even the chalkboard labels. Chalkboard labels with a marker. So we open the, let me just open it. So we have a pin here, a chalkboard pin. And then we have like sticker labels that we can write on. This is awesome. I love this. That's, oh, okay. I'm excited for that. Like you can put them kind of wherever. All right, and then we have a notepad made by Nikki recipe card. Oh, so this is, okay, so you can write your recipes to give to people. And it obviously, because it says made by Nikki, that's super cute. Everything feels so nice. All right, and then here we have magnetic notepad and desk notepad set. All right, so this first one, this would be just like, I guess, the desktop. It says from the house of Nikki, and it's got a little I love tea. So you can jot all kinds of stuff down. And then this is the magnetic, so that does look like a really strong magnet. You put this on like the side of your fridge, and this says from the kitchen of Nikki. So it's got where you could write list or just jot down notes. That is adorable. I love that. This was a really awesome month. And I think the what's cooking good looking theme, definitely with the recipe cards and the thing, you know, for the fridge. You could label things in your kitchen. I'm dropping stuff because there's so many. Or anywhere really. And then I just really think this was a fantastic month. It never disappoints. It's always great and fun. And everything's always so cute. And again, I love that it's personalized. So let me know what you think down below. I will put a link if you would like to sign up for my paper box, whether you want to choose the grand or the mini. But like I said, the grand is $28 a month and the mini is $10. Both are gonna always be personalized. So I hope you're having a wonderful day. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.